Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail password on your laptop or PC. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up a browser on your laptop, and then you can do this from google.com or directly inside the Gmail, whichever you prefer. If you're not signed in, click on sign in at the very top. And during the sign in process, you'll also have the option to reset your password if you have forgotten it. But if you already signed in, simply tap on your profile icon right over here. Then tap on Manage your Google account. This will bring you into the main Google account settings. Inside here, simply tap on Security, and here scroll below, then tap on Password. Now Google will ask you to enter your password. If you don't remember it, you can simply tap on Try Another Way to recover your account. Just like that. Once you're inside this page, simply type in your new password and then re-enter it again. Once done, tap on Change Password, and that's it. Your Gmail password is now updated. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.